2016 Chevy Z71, 5.3 liter V8. Got converters, original, factory. Got the dreaded third cap, then 3-inch all the way back. We did a muffler delete earlier in the year, about 2 weeks ago. And now we just did a resonator delete right there. And it still has his Chevy bow tie tip. See the Chevy bow tie on top? Chevy original tip. There's the resonator we cut off. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Straight pipe, single. Better? Give it gas? Again? Sound decibels? Go ahead. Again? So when it peaks, it's about 105. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it out. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Silverado.